Meron na dito sila. So hi guys, we're here at this is our first destination for our Bohol trip. We're here at Kawasan Falls. Ayan, makita niyo guys, ayan, yan yung falls. And many people are here. Most people. Oo, 2 or more, marami na yun. So ayan, I'm so happy kasi napunta na namin yung falls dun sa KMJS ate. I-flash ko na lang.
Sa barangay Kadapdapan, naroon ang pinakamataas na waterfall sa buong probinsya ng Bohol, ang Canumantad Falls.
Which is, alam ko na sabi ni John, ayan, na KMJS daw yung Kawasan Falls.
Hindi pa niya nagsasabi na lumipad ang aming pin.
Look at that, kasi look at oo nga, ba't dito? Doon yung mga yung gamit eh. Ayan, nabasa na namin ang aming mga hair. Ayan, so ayun sa ate. So ayun, maghahanap lang kami ng makakain, nakaganto kami. Basta, like para kaming basang sushi. So ayun, alis na kami. Ano to? Ayun, wala akong ayos. Ayun, bye guys! See you in our next destination. Bye po! And on one day.
Ay, maling intro. Ulit. Take two.
So, ayun, I'm back. So, this is the second destination for our day one trip at Bohol. So, look at that. Look at that. Ito na mirror of the wow. Let's see. So, tara, pasok tayo. Yun guys. Ang cute ng carousel there. So, we're here at the mirror of the wall. Look at that. It's so nice here, guys. If you want to go, just go with the Bohol. It's good. It's good. Look at that. So nice. Hi guys. So ayun. Kala mo nasa ibang bansa ang atake ate mo. Like, para tayong nasa US. US! Like, look at that. New York! Hollywood? Bollywood dito, be! Kasi Bohol. Eto. So, ayun. Tara na sa Bohol. Hindi ka makapunta ng Singapore kasi wala kang pera. Dito, afford mo for 190 pesos. Guys, look at that. Meron na dito sila.
Alright, i-montage na lang natin to kasi hindi naman ako nagsasalita. Let's go.
pangalan? Everything that. So, ayun guys, nandito na kami. Sobrang So, ayun guys, we're out. We're going out of the mirror of the world sa Bohol. Dito, sa Bohol. Ayan. This is the last destination for today's video. Hope you enjoy, guys.
Mami, enjoy ko.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.